Nothing humbles a developer like JSON. You write one clean object, and one rogue comma blows up your entire API. Error logs don't help. Your IDE mocks you, and you lose so much time. But you know JSON isn't complex. It's just painfully unforgiving. And when you're busy managing APIs and tight deadlines, these syntax errors are the last thing you need. That's where AI steps in. In fact, 33% of people want to use AI to develop their skills, and most of them wish to use it for coding. And tools such as AI JSON Generators turn raw data into clean, structured, error-free JSON in seconds. No debugging, no bracket babysitting, just fast, accurate output you can trust. Let's look at 5 AI JSON generators, starting with the most powerful one, ClickUp. ClickUp is more than an AI JSON generator. It's the world's first converged AI workspace that brings your projects, your documentation, your conversations, and now your JSON code snippets into one place. It comes with an inbuilt AI assistant, ClickUp Brain, that can generate clean JSON files just by describing what you need in plain language. If your schema changes later, ClickUp Brain updates the JSON automatically, keeping everything consistent. And because Brain offers multiple LLMs, such as the latest GPT and Claude models, you can pick the right brainstorming partner so your JSON stays accurate no matter how complex the request is. With ClickUp Automations, you can also have JSON files auto-generate, for example, when a critical bug is logged, and you need the details inside your specified endpoint, such as a server, Zapier, or make scenario, where you can process, store, or forward the file as needed. And with the ClickUp API, syncing JSON with your external tools is seamless, from inventory systems to product catalogs. You can store JSON snippets inside ClickUp Docs or Tasks, collaborate on edits with teammates, track projects through tasks, and even monitor all JSON workflows on dashboards. The next JSON generator we discuss is Macaru. It is great for developers who want realistic test data without writing scripts from scratch. You can generate up to 1,000 rows for free in formats like JSON, CSV, SQL, or Excel. It gives you over 140 data types, from basic names and addresses to complex fields like geolocation or medical codes. It's powerful, but large or complex schemas take time to master, and anything beyond 1,000 rows or API access requires a paid plan. The third tool that we have is QuickType. It works differently from most tools. So instead of creating JSON, it turns your sample JSON into type definitions for languages like TypeScript, Swift, or C#. This saves hours of manual work when you're building models for API responses. It handles things developers usually tweak by hand, naming conventions, nullable fields, optional properties, even merging multiple samples for accuracy. It's fast and accurate, though it focuses only on type generation, not mock data, and very complex nested structures sometimes need manual adjustments. If you want a simple way to store and share JSON, JSONbin.io acts like an online locker. It turns your JSON into a live endpoint you can access instantly without setting up a server during development. You can track version history, add custom headers, share secure tokens, and control permissions for collaborators. It's quick and lightweight, but it doesn't offer advanced querying or schema validation, so teams needing deeper control may find it limited. And last on our list, we have endpoint.io that focuses on collaborative JSON editing. You get a clean editor, shareable links, and auto-generated endpoints for each document. Teams can lock specific sections, add schema, and even generate simple documentation pages. But because it stays minimal, its authentication options and schema validation tools are fairly basic. So that's the full picture. These AI generators are super helpful when you want smoother JSON workflows, fewer errors, and more time for actual development. Especially with an everything app like ClickUp that brings AI, automation, and real-time collaboration into one place, handling structured data finally becomes fast, clean, and reliable. If you want to work smarter with your JSON data, ClickUp is where you start. Sign up for free at clickup.com.